Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please do consider to subscribe if you like this video. I'll be sharing more of the cooking videos along with gardening and DIY activities as well. So let's get started. In this video, I'm going to share with you all corn vada in air fryer. So it's a very healthy version as I'm using very less oil in making of this crispy corn vada. Also we call it in Telugu as garelu, makajonna garelu. So this for this corn vada, I'm taking the soft corn. If it's a bit hard, you can either boil it in hot boiling water 5 minutes or just steam it in pressure cooker or an instant pot as well. So once you remove the kernels, we'll transfer it into a blender and add an inch of ginger as well as 2 to 3 green chilies as per your taste, and blend it, coarse grind it, into a smooth paste, and then transfer back to a bowl and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of rice flour, and then salt as needed. Like I'm adding half teaspoon of salt. And 2 tablespoons of oil as well into this, and then adding curry leaves as well as coriander leaves chopped, and then mix it well. Make sure you can make a kind of chapati dough ball. If you're not able to make it, then you can add little bit more of rice flour. I initially took 1/4 cup of rice flour, but I have not used everything into this. That's what I have shown here. And at last we'll be adding some chopped onions as well and mix it well. And then take an air fryer tray, and you don't need to add a parchment paper. As you're applying oil onto your palm and making a kebab or vada shape, it won't be sticking onto this tray. But even if you want to use a parchment paper, it's up to you. So we'll be just taking equal portions of this vada and make it into a round shape, and then spray some oil with a sprayer or a brush on top layer, and then switch on the air fryer in air fryer mode at 350 Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Like for first 5 minutes we'll be keeping at 350 Fahrenheit, and the rest 5 minutes will increase a bit temperature to 360 Fahrenheit. So after half of the time we'll be checking on this corn vada. So you can see it's almost well done, like 50% of it, and then at this point we'll be flipping onto the other side. And once you flip it, flip all the vadas, we'll spray some more oil on top using a sprayer, and then close it again and turn on air fryer at 360 Fahrenheit now for another 5 minutes, the remaining 5 minutes. And in 10 minutes our crispy corn vada is ready. It's under 2 tablespoons of oil. It's almost done, and it's very tasty. You won't believe, within few minutes it's all over. We just had all these vadas. So do try it and let me know how it turned out to you. And if you like this video, please share and leave a comment as well. And for more such videos, you can always visit my channel link. You can see how soft these vadas are inside and crispy outside. So I'll be sharing more air fryer, instant pot recipes as well, along with other cooking videos and gardening and DIY activities as well. So please do follow me on Instagram and Facebook on Anu's Hobby Lobby, and you can pin it and Pinterest as well. Thank you very much for watching.